Hello, today I'll show you how to play the 7-inch single records on your Pro-Ject T1 EVO. Most 7-inch records have a bigger hole since they are used in they were used in the past. The holes were used in the past. They were quite important back then, and it just stayed with us. And also, often those discs are pretty old. Nowadays, you mainly get the big discs, the 12-inch ones. But if you have any 7-inch ones, you will need this. This is an adapter for the bigger hole. Although there are some discs that are 7 inches and they don't have the bigger hole, but here's the adapter that you can put on your turntable, and in order to do so, just put it on and then put the disc on it. I unfortunately don't have a disc on me right now that is 7-inch, but this is the first thing. And the second thing is that 7-inch discs always operate in 45 RPM as opposite to typical long plays. Long plays are 33 RPM, and that is important to know because on the side of the turntable we have two switches. One of them is position 1, which plays at 33 RPM, and position 2 plays at 44. So it's important to put it on position 2, put the disc, of course, and put the stylus on the beginning of the record by simply lifting the lever, lifting the stylus a little bit, then using this handle to adjust it exactly to the beginning of the record, turning the lever down, and it will simply start playing. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.